Hello and welcome to DevTech Care. This video is for those participants who have completed Diwali Lab Challenge from Google Cloud successfully. You all will receive this swag redemption email from Google Cloud where you have to fill your form and provide your postal address so you can get your swags at your home. In this email it is written that thank you for joining the Diwali challenge and a big congratulations on earning your new badges. You are eligible to claim a goodie of your choice, and because you earned a skill badge too, your sticker pack will be included automatically while supplies last. Which means you only have to fill the form and the sticker pack will be included in your swag pack automatically. There are important details which you have to consider. At number first, you have 7 days from receiving this email to claim the item. Please note that prizes are available only while supplies last. First come, first serve. Which means you have to complete this form immediately so you can get your swags for sure. If you will not complete this form within 2 to 3 days, maybe there is a shortage of swags and you will not be eligible for claiming that swag. At number 2, please provide the correct shipping details. Which means you have to provide correct postal address, shipping address of your own where you want to receive your swags. In case if you fill the form with incorrect postal address, then you will not be entertained by swags. Changes and substitutions are not possible, which means you only have to fill the form once. There is no second chance where you can fill your form or edit your form. So you have to fill this form very carefully. After 7 days, items will be considered unclaimed and released. No extensions, no exceptions. If you don't fill the form before 7 days, then your item will be considered unclaimed and released, which means you cannot fill the form after 7 days. There is no extension and there is no exception. Also, if you do not wish to claim a prize, simply do not take any action. Someone who don't want to win or redeem swags from Google Cloud Diwali Challenge, then he or she must not take any simple action. Now if you want to claim your prizes, then just click here and fill your form to claim your swags. Select a goodie of your choice, provide your correct email address, provide your correct postal address and just click on submit. And you will receive swags in between 6 to 7 weeks. Do subscribe the channel if you want videos related to technical tips and tricks, scholarships, different opportunities across the world and different internships. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Until then, it's goodbye.